guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I make my homemade scrub with ingredients found right in your kitchen. I've been using it for years and I absolutely love it. So before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and of course, y'all already know, subscribe to your girl channel, okay? To get started, of course, you're going to need some type of bowl or container for you to mix all the ingredients in. And I like to start with the coffee. Now I normally do about 2 to 3 scoops of coffee into the bowl, but I would say it really depends on how big your jar is that you're going to store the scrub in or how much you really want to make. But normally I do about 2 or 3 and no more than that. And then I move on to the sugar and do the same exact thing. But keep in mind the sugar is more fine than coffee, so if you really want to see the sugar, I guess, in your scrub, then you may want to do another spoonful of sugar. But other than that, I do about the same because it's fine to me. And then I mix them up in the bowl before moving on. Now all of these ingredients can be found at your local Walmart. And I do like to stick with the organic cane sugar though. Don't ask me why. When it was introduced to me, that's what was used, and so I've just continued to use that and I like it, so I'm going to keep it that way. Then moving on to half a lemon, just squeeze that in there and mix it up. Now seeds will probably get into the bowl. Sometimes I pick them out, sometimes I don't. It really depends on you and what you prefer, but the seeds aren't really that big of a deal. They don't really get in the way. Once you're in the shower using it, if you pick them up, most of the time the seeds will fall into the shower anyway. So it's not really that big of a deal. But like I said, it depends on how I feel. So here I am picking them out. And then you mix all the ingredients together. After squeezing the lemon into the sugar and coffee, it will cause it to clump up. So you want to mix it well to make sure all parts of the scrub has lemon. And then I move on to the unrefined coconut oil. You guys, I've tried different coconut oils, but this one, I believe the brand is Spectrum. This one just makes my skin feel wonderful, and other coconut oils I've tried cannot do the same. So I continue to use this one. And I put it in the microwave before I pour it into the bowl. Of course, you want to melt it. And I used to take scoops and put it into a bowl and then warm it up and then pour it in. But you don't know how much you want to use. So I just put the whole jar into the microwave, melt it, and pour as I need. And then, of course, we're going to mix the sugar and the coffee and the lemon and the oil all together. And you guys, if this scrub isn't looking shiny and moisturized to you, then you need to add a little bit more coconut oil. Sometimes I may take out a little bit on my finger, rub it on my hand, and then wipe it off. And if my hand is feeling smooth, then it's great. If your hand is still feeling dry and not moisturized, then you need some more coconut oil, girl. So go ahead and add some more, okay? Once you're finished with the coconut oil, move on to the lavender oil, which is the last ingredient that you need. I add about 2 to 3 drops. You really don't need that much. You'll see it's very potent. So once you put 1 drop in there, you can smell it, but you really just want it for smell. And also lavender is said to be relaxing. You know, when you're in the shower, you want to relax, calm your nerves, so it's perfect. Now that your scrub is good to go and ready to use, you will need to store it in a jar that can be sealed tightly, because keep in mind, you guys, there is sugar in this. And you do not have to get a very expensive jar. I believe I got this jar from Dollar Tree for only $1, you guys. If you want something fancier, you can probably go to Target or Walmart and get one for maybe $3 to $4, but your local Dollar Tree sells them, you guys, and it is perfect, gets the job done. As you can see, I like to get every little piece of my scrub into this jar, okay? No ingredients will be left behind here. But once you get it all in your jar, you guys, your scrub is ready to go. I store it in the bottom of my shower and I use it every day or every other day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.